Proximal part is the first part of the boot bone that participates in the elbow joint formation. So basically, it lies here besides the ulna and beneath the humerus. So here we have ulna, then comes the radius, and above we have the humerus. The proximal radius consists of three main portions: the radial head, the neck, and the tuberosity. Let's have a look on these landmarks. The radial head is cylindrical, as you can see. On its upper surface there is a small tip or fovea. It spreads medially and becomes narrow as we move down. Annular or orbicular ligament is wrapped around this narrow portion. Orbicular or orbs, meaning round or rotation. This head rotates within this annular ligament to produce the supination and pronation movement of the forearm. The head articulates at 2 points. One is at the capitulum of the humerus and other at the radial notch of the ulna. The capitulum of the humerus articulates with the dip on the top of the radial head, forming the elbow joint, whereas the proximal radio-ulnar joint formed by the articulation between the broad medial portion of the head and the radial notch of the ulna. The neck is a narrow area of bone which lies between the radial head and the outspread tuberosity. The radial tuberosity is a bony projection which provides the attachment side of the biceps brachii muscle.